Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple way of making mashed potatoes, just a simple recipe. And what I'm doing, I'm starting off with, I had about 10 medium-sized potatoes. I've cut them up in cubes, and you see I put it in the pot. Now we're going to boil this on high for about, I normally do it until they're like tender. That can take maybe like 15 minutes. I have it on high, and you want to make sure that you stir it periodically so it won't stick. Now I'm back, it's already basically done. I'm just checking the tenderness of it, and what I do to make sure that it's soft, I don't really use a fork sometimes. I just take the spoon and kind of pound it. All right, so I'm using a half a stick of butter. This is salted butter. Make sure you put the butter in there once you drain the potatoes and have it in the whatever dish you're going to mix it in. Make sure that it's still hot when you put the butter in there. And I'm adding some salt. I'm not really going to tell you how much salt I added. You just want to season to taste. So this is the seasonings that I put up. It's salt, granulated garlic in there. Like I said, season to taste. However much you want to put, but just put as much as your heart desires. I'm adding the milk right now. I normally do everything, most of my cooking, by just eyeballing. And the amount of milk you add depends on, the texture and how you want your potatoes to be, or your mashed potatoes to be. If you want them really thick, you can add less milk. I like mine's a little creamy, so you're gonna see me periodically add more milk in until I get the desired consistency. And I probably mentioned this, I use the potato masher. This is just the basic potato masher, just to mash potatoes, to mash the potatoes down. Now keep in mind, this can be tedious at times, but I think it's worth it at the end. Once you get the desired texture that you want, smoothness, creaminess that you want, just take your time and get it the way you want it to be. Now you see I went in with a little more milk. Trying to get that perfect. Trying to get it perfect the way I want it to be. Now you don't have to do it the way I did it. This is just the easiest way that I know how to do. And this is just a simple, fast way that I do it. And of course I'm gonna taste it, make sure it tastes right, with the seasonings and everything in there and the butter. And it's good. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video.